Okay, so we will be dividing a 2-digit quotient with remainder and without remainders. So let's look at the problem. We have 32 in all, and we need 8 groups. So we need to find out how many we will need in each group. So again, we're doing 32 divided by 8. So we have our problem. Now I'm going to sketch it. I'm going to sketch my 32 because that is my total. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So are there enough 10s to put equally in each group? Do we have enough 10s to put in each group? And we are putting them in 8 groups. So no, we do not. So we are going to have to regroup our 10s. So I'm going to regroup them. I'm going to regroup 10, 20, 30. So let me regroup 110, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another one, another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am going to regroup them. So I did. Now I have 32. Now I'm going to separate them into 8 groups. So I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can do another group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, these are my groups. Okay, these are my groups. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another group of 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many are in each group? There's 4 in each group. So I'm going to put my 4 in my ones place because I could not divide my 3 10s into 8 groups equally. So then I had to regroup them and then I could divide. So once I divide or once I share them equally, now I'm going to see how many was I able to share into each group. Well, I could put 4 ones in each group. So I have 8 times 4 is 32 because these were 32. I separated 32 ones into my groups equally. How many do I have left? I don't have anything left. So I'm going to do 8 times 4 is 32. So I subtracted 32 because from here I divided them over here into my 8 groups. So I have no remainder, nothing left over, and my answer is 4. My quotient is 4. Okay, so now let's do another one. We have 18 divided by 4. So we have to draw our model. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And I'm going to divide them into 4 groups. Do I have enough 10s to divide into 4 groups? To separate into 4 groups? I don't. So I'm going to have to regroup and then I divide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the 10, okay, that I regrouped. Now I'm going to put them into 4 groups. So I'm going to count by 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do I have enough to make another group with these that were remaining? No, I don't. I have 2 left over. So how many are in each group? Well, each group has 4. Again, I did not divide anything in my 10s place, so I'm not going to put anything there, but I did divide 8. I was able to divide 18 into 4. How many ones did I put in each group? 4. So 4 times 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16. So I'm going to subtract 16, which is what I removed from my whole. 8 minus 6 is 2. And I am not able to separate those equally again, so that is my remainder. So my answer was 4 with the remainder of 2. 28 divided by 4. I'm going to draw out my 28. Oh, and then we can check. We can check with multiplication. So let me go back to this one. We can check with multiplication. I can do 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16, plus my remainder is 18. So this is the same as my dividend. The same thing, I can do the same thing here. I can check my answer. 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32. It's the same as my dividend. All right, 28 divided by 4. So I'm going to sketch out 28. 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28. So I have enough tens to separate equally into 4 groups. I don't, so I'm going to trade these off. I'm going to regroup into my ones place. So I'm going to 10, 20. I need to bring over 20. I need to regroup 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are my two tens, which equals to 20. So now in my ones place, I have 28. Now I can divide these. Now I can divide them into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember that down here is where I'm dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see how many we can divide equally. And let's see how many we'll get in each group. And my groups are going horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And do I have enough? Yes, I do. I have 4 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 in each group. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to write 7 in each group. 4 times 7 equals 28. So I remove 28. And I have 0 remaining. Same thing as my model, as my sketch. The same thing as my sketch. Let's do 88 divided by 7. Again, sketch it out, draw out 88. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. So here I am going to, now I do have enough. Okay, here I have enough. I have 8 tens and I want to put them in 7 groups. So I can put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can put 1 in each group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one I'm going to regroup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 18. So what I did here, I was able to put 1 in each group, right? So I can put 110, I can divide 110 into each group, right? And I had 7 groups, so I have 110. So up here, I can put 110 in each group. And how many did I bring down? How many could I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here I'm going to subtract 7, because 7 groups of 1 equals 7, and I subtracted them from my whole. So 8 minus 7 is 1. And how many ones did I have over here? I had 8 ones. So when I bring them together, now together here, I have 18, and here I have 18. Now we can separate again. 18 divided by 7. I'm going to divide them into 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to divide these equally into 7 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And do I have enough ones to divide equally again? Well, I only have 4 left over, so no, I don't. So how many did how many was I able to put in each group? I was able to put two ones in each group. So I'm going to put a 2 up here, sorry. 7 times 2 is 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So I'm going to subtract 14. 8 minus 4 is 4. And that is my remainder. And that is what I have left over there. So your answer is 12 with the remainder of 4. I can check my work by multiplying 12 times 7. 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8, 84, plus my remainder. 4 plus 4 is 8, 88, 88. So my answer is 12 with the remainder of 4.